Ready?
Yep. Yo! Welcome back to another episode of our Lamborghini Urus Chevy Tahoe body swap, chassis swap. In the last episode, we built the tire carrier, or the rear tire carrier, that holds that massive 170-pound wheel and tire combo into it. So we started building the roll cage. So it looks amazing. On this episode, we are going to be working on the wiring on the Tahoe, because we did all the twin turbo stuff for the Tahoe, but we don't want to run it on boost with the stock ECU. And so we got a Holley harness. And so Steve is going to be wiring the Holley ECU into the Tahoe.
That is the plan. We're gonna find a spot home for the Holley and just add what we have to in.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We're still gonna get this body off, and so we still need this to be a functioning car.
That's
before,
just it. Like,
yeah, and to have fun in it before we cut it off.
We don't want to like take too much of it apart for just a little bit of driving we want to do while it's still a Tahoe.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna make the Holley. We're gonna tie it into the factory fuel pump wiring. We're gonna tie it into those types of things so that we can just get this thing to function as a car still.
Yeah.
And then, but have the ability to actually tune it under boost with a proper map sensor and wideband, and then we can go have some more fun with it before it blows up.
Okay, that's a good representation.
I want to try to keep part of the bulkhead.
Oh, you're hoping to keep the firewall? Yeah.
And then connect the dots, because I don't want to have to remake the whole firewall. Not this section anyway, so like I don't have to remount all the brakes and all that type of shit.
Yeah.
We're just going to do a fabricated aluminum dash.
Yeah.
So I can just bust that side of the dash out for you and we'll put the computer over there.
And I think Tim was mentioning that we might cut off the roof of this as well and make it a convertible, just to have fun at some point.
Could be the spongiest thing ever driven.
We'll just do the back half.
Yeah, just the back out. Just the back out.
That would be so funny.
Tahoe Landolay.
Yeah.
Landolay.
Came with free tires for us to burn up.
Oh, no way. Oh, a whole set.
It only has front brakes.
But we're getting stock ECU out of the way, and then we just need to find a couple of wires in the fuse box that we can bypass and tap into for the fuel pump and starter wiring, because we'll need to bypass some of them to make the neutral safety work and a couple other things. But other than that, we won't be doing a whole lot. We're just going to get the stock harness out of the way. Now we need to get it inside so we can get underneath it. And you get it jacked up in the air so I can do the rest.
Oh, I see.
I can't reach underneath. I can't shimmy myself under there. I've been in better positions.
You look very comfortable, actually.
I am not. I'll tell you that. Got it out. Now we can dissect the pieces we need out of it and get rid of the majority of it. Because all we're after, as far as this part of the harness goes, is essentially the neutral safety wiring, and then the triggers for the fuel pump and a couple other key-on pieces we need to power the new computer up. So 95% of this is going to get tossed in the garbage.
Oh, wow.
So we're going to start by essentially getting the wires we need out of the fuse box, and then basically dissecting everything else out of this harness.
Sweet.
So the only plugs we actually need are neutral safety ones that plug in a neutral safety switch, and then the 4 wires that basically go in and out of this plug. That's what we're after. And yes, I could have just jumped the wires together and done it that way, but this way is just better.
Yeah.
So we'll dissect this harness front to back and peel out the few wires we need out of it. I don't have to be nice to it because we're not trying to sue.
True.
Holley harnesses, yeah, we got it routed through onto the truck. We need to make a few modifications from the kit we had. I had to change the injector plugs over to EV6 plugs. I need to move and extend a couple other sensors that that don't quite fit from the kit that we got, and then find a place to mount the computer. Hopefully by the afternoon we can put some power to this thing and see if we can make it run.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Me and Luke are mostly just hiding out of sight so that we don't have to do anything.
Look, I worked. See, I got dirt on it.
Trying to put turbo drains on it.
Oh.
We got to fix our turbo drains. We had a little malfunction here.
Yeah, it wasn't exactly draining.
It was just sitting.
Oh. Was that why this one wasn't?
That's why
That's
it
why it
was
was
smoking.
smoking, because the oil was backing up in the turbo.
That's amazing. That's awesome. Yo, that's awesome. Oh my gosh.
Canadian race gas.
It's pretty serious because you spent money on the 94 octane.
It's expensive. It's like $8 a gallon,
Woo!
man. I didn't wire this. Steve did it.
Oh, rainbow spaghetti.
No worries.
But I mean, it's not permanent, so we're still gonna take all of the body
Once
off.
we
So.
body swap, we'll do something
Yeah.
a little nicer.
Yep,
To make sure it has oil.
that's an important
Yeah,
thing.
we got lots of oil.
So we're going for our maiden voyage.
Yes.
Nice.
We even got properly insured.
I know, it's like legally registered.
We're just like medium rednecky right now.
We'll see a boost dump or something.
I know. I'm excited to hear the sounds. Nice sound effects as usual.
This is 3M tape.
Ooh, so you know it'll stick
This is low
properly.
quality stuff right here.
Nice.
We're professional installers. Look at that.
That's literally looks factory.
It does. It's the most expensive part of this whole build.
The pedal. So if you guys do not know, this pedal doesn't work anymore. So we are using this pedal.
We stole that one out of a $50,000 engine package that we have going into the car.
So it's gonna be very interesting to see how this is done. So we're probably gonna use hand controls.
Hand controls today. Gotta make sure I can give her the full beans.
Oh, you got the fucking tape.
Yeah, look how awesome it is.
Oh, is that just double-sided tape on there?
No.
Yo, you see our new sick gauge setup?
What's the
Gauge is on top of gauge.
Yo, that's pretty
Tim,
sick,
two
actually.
gauges.
Can't even
So
tell.
sick.
It looks factory.
Yeah.
Fucking Tim 2
It's handicap accessible.
Oh, that's awesome.
Ready?
Yep. Yo! Oh shoot! That is amazing. Oh my gosh. That was awesome.
Tell me you got all of that.
Oh, I got all of it. It's amazing. That's amazing. Limited slip?
It's got limited slip.
That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome.
The one you did up there, we just heard it and we came outside and there's just like smoke. And then you stopped and we're like, uh-oh. Something. And then you see Elvis like, oh, shit. Remember me, man?
Awesome. Yeah, that was pretty awesome.
That one up there was good.
Yeah, that was really good. All the guys came out in the shop there. You're like, what is happening?
Yeah, it's funny because it's like, oh, and all of a sudden the boost comes on. It's, oh.
So what is next after this? What are we doing?
Weight reduction mods.
Oh.
And it'll really light if we take another 400 off the back end.
Yep. So next week we're gonna begin chopping.
We're gonna make it into a convertible.
Sick.
Then maybe if we add more boost.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because the intake hasn't blown off yet.
No, I think we're only like 6.5 pounds or something.
So it's making what, like 400, 500?
Probably 500, I would think.
Mm.
I don't know. Check out the burnout. Let me know what it takes.
That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel. If you want to see this car cut off and it put on the Lambo, which is over there. Again, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
That just happened.
Oh no. Oh no, we just lost power?
I think so.
Oh no. Oh Oh no.
I think it just blew up.
No way it just blew up. No way.